Good morning. So today's video is the painting of the pinch pots that we made the other day. So here's my pinch pot dry. Now you can, if you've got some, and if you want to, sand down the little dings in it, and if there's any other little cracks. But I'm going to leave mine. But if you just use some really gentle sandpaper, that'll just take away any little cracks that you don't want there anymore. So I've got my picture of what I want my pot to look like, a little bit of greaseproof paper or something that you can pop in the bin for the acrylic paint, because when it's on anything it will stain. So you just want to make sure that you've got something that you can sort of scribble up and pop in the bin for afterwards. A little bit of water to wash my brushes, and then my acrylic paints just to show you. So these are the paints that I'm using. So they're just any acrylic paint will do. And there they are. So I need a couple of brushes, it doesn't matter what size. I'm going to pop those two there and I'm going to start painting. So this is my design, and I'm going to go for grey all over, and then little green rings around the circles, the little flowers that I've done, and then just a little kiss inside where it was higher at the back and lower at the front. And that's me. So I'm going to crack on with that now. So here are my two pots from my first video. They're both dry, they're both painted. This one I did last night because I couldn't wait. So this one is just white with black watered down stripe over the markings that I've made, and it's sunk in. And I really like this one. I think I might keep this one. And then I've put a thick coat of red inside so that it's sealed from water. If you want to, and you're using these for plants and things that are going to have water in them, then I would PVA glue the inside as well so that it's super safe. So that's the first one, and then this is the one that I've just done, which is nice, and because it's got green on it I thought that would look really nice with a plant in it. And there we go. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial for making and painting these pots, and if you have photos of yours, send them to us. We would love to see them. Thank you so much for taking part, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.